Hello, my name is Chris Flood. Thank you for clicking on this video abstract for our paper titled Timescale Realization with Linked Platforms for Alternative PNT. The motivation of this paper is the fact that there are initiatives for low Earth orbit constellations coming from the public and private sectors, primarily for global communication purposes. Now, there are also investigations into whether or not navigation services can be provided from low Earth orbit to augment the global positioning system or other global navigation satellite systems. Any navigation service requires a stable timescale to which ranging measurements are referenced, and the formation of this timescale is the focus of this paper. The goal of this paper is to demonstrate scalable approaches to clock comparison, as well as timescale formation between small platforms, which is extensible to low Earth orbit constellations. A block diagram of our hardware implementation is shown here, with the top section meant to represent the interconnected platforms, and the bottom section, which will be revealed in just a minute, meant to represent the timescale formation. So these four platforms are meant to represent four satellites in the same orbit plane, where platform 1 is connected to platform 2. Platform 2 is connected to both platform 1 and 3. 3 is connected to 2 and 4 is just connected to 3. Each of these platforms has an onboard clock represented by these green circles, and these platforms are making differential phase measurements represented by delta phi, these yellow arrows, which are input to a clock ensemble Kalman filter. Now, the rest of these steps in the timescale formation, I encourage you to review the paper for all of the details, but generally we close the loop and we steer this numerically controlled oscillator SDR to synthesize the realization of the implicit ensemble mean of the four member oscillators of the timescale. The hardware in the lab is shown here, where we have four software-defined radios representing the interconnected satellites, as well as the onboard clocks, which are placed on top of the platform, shown here disconnected, but they are quite small chip-scale atomic clocks, 3 of those, and then 1 miniaturized rubidium oscillator shown here on the far right on platform 4. I hope this video abstract has intrigued you and encouraged you to view the results and discussion in our paper. Thank you very much for your time.